guys, today we're going to emboss. What is this?
Unboxing.
Unboxing. So we already unboxing.
Dinosaur
in the inside. Okay. Get up. Brother, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Now next.
Open.
You opened it.
Okay.
You see, there's here. Hi, I am a paleontologist.
Okay, do it. A
I
dinosaur.
study dinosaurs. So that's its
Let's read it.
brain. The tiny brain right there.
Okay. This.
So puny. And this is the stomach, I believe.
What is the heart?
Kayaknya heartnya cover deh. And
Okay.
I think that's the lungs, and this is the heart. Stomach, usus, bones.
Okay, now let's do the rest part. Wait, what this is the rest part?
We opened up that.
Okay, probably it's no dinosaur. What is the same one?
Look, it has nostrils, eyes, and small. It has the tiny and sharp. It has the sharp teeth.
Probably that is the brain again.
The tiny puny brain next.
Okay, probably it's the same one again.
Now it has feathers. And this is the egg.
Okay,
And then
probably. Okay,
now we can see the muscles. The
Muscle.
muscle.
Mosang.
I think if you look deeper, it will be the bones.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
We cover it up again. There's the puny brain. And here is the bones.
Probably, guys. Probably this is not a wrong.
That's definitely true.
This is not a long story.
Get deeper.
Okay,
And
you know
then
what?
deeper.
I have to
Deeper, we got the muscles deeper.
Guys, come here. Come here. I have a lot of Pokemon. Pokemon. Just like in funny word. Pokemon. Okay. So probably get the card Pokemon from this chocolate. Okay, now. Enggak, kok pendek banget. Okay, guys. Now, you see. Okay. Now I'm going to unboxing another.
Yeah.
Okay. Tapi
Sharp teeth, strong tail, and this is the brain. Where is the brain? I can't see it.
that is so small.
There, right there.
Ah, oh di dalam itu. Oh my god, kecil banget.
Aduh.
Sini nak sini.
It's so cute. Kenapa lihat sih?
Yeah. Have you read it all?
Habis itu
Terus nih. Terrible T-Rex. Dinosaurs were amazing creatures. There were more than 700 different kinds, but Tyrannosaurus Rex is probably the most famous of all. T-Rex lived a very long time ago, around 66 million years ago in fact, before humans were even on the planet. Let's find out all about this incredible beast. Hi, I am a paleontologist. I study dinosaur. Apa namanya? Kalau yang pelajari dinosaur namanya apa? Paleontologist. Very tall. Roar. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Nih, a super predator. Nostrils. Nostrils. What is nostrils? This one. Eyes.
where is the brain? That is the brain again. The brain.
Small brain.
Why the brain is very small?
Yeah. The brain is very small.
It's probably not too smart.
It could see and smell really well, which helped it find prey.
I'm a big
Did
brain.
you know
The brain is like this big.
Each of T-Rex 60 teeth was the size of a banana with razor-sharp edge. Oh my god.
Like a banana in.
So
The
each,
T-Rex is
each teeth is this size. This size.
like the banana. Like this size.
So big then. But your teeth is this size. But T-Rex teeth is
Okay.
a great big bird. Scientists think that T-Rex and other dinosaurs may have had feeders, just like modern
That is the
birds.
muscle. That is the muscle.
Muscle.
That is the muscle.
These are eggs. Dinosaurs laid their eggs in a nest. A baby T-Rex was probably the size of a turkey.
Okay, bro.
Pterosaurs. Ini tadi dia punya feeders emang loh. Punya bulu memang dia loh. Yeah. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles that lived in the time of dinosaurs.
Oh, it like wang 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 wang, and then poop like this, and it egg. The muscle. The
Slow but
muscle.
strong, Tyrannosaurus rex had powerful leg muscles to hold up its heavy body, but
Muscle.
it wasn't very fast. The bite on a T-Rex was 12 times as strong as a lion's. Strong jaw muscle. Did you know T-Rex had the strongest bite of any land animal ever? The strongest bite of any land animal ever. A hungry beast. Tyrannosaurus rex was a meat eater. It ate other dinosaurs like Triceratops. It ate Triceratops. T-Rex had sharp teeth that were good for biting but not so good for chewing. Its teeth often fell out when it was eating. Fell out, just like yours. Oh, T-Rex. Tapi, did you know when T-Rex lost a tooth, a new one will grow in its place? So it can change its tooth every day if he wants. Always hungry. T-Rex will eat a dinosaur the size of a tiger with just one bite.
Right? That's
Fantastic fossil. Fossils are the remains of animals or plants that lived long ago. A fossil can be a bone, a footprint, or even a poo. A fossilized poo is called a coprolite. Coprolite, a fossilized poo. Does it smell good? Can you read it? A fossil can be a bone, footprint, or even a poo. A fossilized poo is called coprolite. Scientists have learned a lot about dinosaurs from fossils, but some things like what color they were are still a mystery.
Well, now we know the shape.
Yeah, but we don't know the color exactly.
I know it's green.
Well, at least we can imagine it.
Yeah. At least we can imagine.
Now this book.
Hi guys, so that's all about this book.
And now
We're going to another book later, okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
mati pengen.
Ya nanti